Hi friends, now let us take up the third concept, 5 basic functions of a computer program. After understanding data types, variables and data structures, the most important concept is computer program. We write a computer program in different languages for the sake of achieving predefined tasks. Predefined task means, for example, preparing a student's mark report, preparing an employee's salary statement, preparing a provision shop cash bill, etc. These are all predefined tasks. For this purpose, what a computer program does, computer program takes certain data elements and manipulate them, and by that it generates predefined result. That already I showed to you. I think you understand. For this purpose, to perform these predefined tasks, what a computer program does, that we have to understand. Actually, there are 5 steps. Actually, we write a program using a number of statements. Whatever may be the statement in a program, uh, the statement perform one of these 5 activities. What are these 5 activities? First I list, and from real life also I explain. By that you can have a clear understanding over this. Actually, creating data. First one is creating data means reserving a variable. Already I told you, reserving a memory container. First you have to reserve a memory container. Okay, this is empty. Thereafter, suppose it is like this, int age. If you write like that, the memory container of int type is created. That is called, this simply called creating data. Creating data means creating a variable. This is empty. Okay. First one, creating data. Second one is storing data. Now store. Actually, this is what you call equal to in mathematics. But here it is called assignment operator. Assignment operator means you assume this is the container. In this container, you have to put this one. For this purpose, this assignment operator is used. Don't call, you may call it as equal to, but it is in computer science, in programming, it is an assignment operator. Now what happens? 20 is stored here. So first activity is creating data. Second activity is storing data. Now you have to store data. Thereafter, retrieving data. Actually, simply storing, what is the use? You have to, whenever you want to manipulate or perform operations, it should be retrieved. So third activity is retrieving data from the memory container, means variable. And fourth one is manipulating data. Manipulating data means performing operations over that. So for example, your age last year 20. Today it is changed to 21 because today is your birthday. 21. Then what should you do? 20 should be made, 20 should be replaced by 21. Then what to do? You have to retrieve it and add 1, then 21. Then you have to store it. So retrieving data, manipulating data. Okay, it is simply stored in the variable. How can you see that? You cannot see things in computer memory. It should be displayed on the monitor screen. Then only you can view that. So whatever may be the statements of a computer program, they perform one of these 5 activities. Again, I list out. Creating data means creating a variable, creating a container. Second one is storing data, I showed you. Third one is retrieving data. Fourth one is manipulating data. And fifth one is displaying data. With a real life example, I show you. Suppose you treat the cell phone as a data item. Data item. This is a container. Creating data. One container are reserved. This is creating data means creating a variable. Now storing data. This is second one. Third one is I want to manipulate. Then retrieving data. Fourth one, I am manipulating and I am displaying it. So these are the things. In this way, you understand One secret I have to tell you. As far as programming is concerned, you need not by heart anything. If you are by hearting means you are treating this as an academic subject. This is totally a different subject. Practically you have to understand everything by cause and effect. Why? Every time you have to put what, why. You have to put these questions and get the answers. For that, like this, you have to write figures for everything and give the explanation. By that, without writing any unnecessary husk, you can write the content. You need not bother about the size of the thing. You can describe it. That is the way of learning programming concepts and presenting programming concepts. In future, you go for interviews and write exams and all that. So, in this manner, how I am explaining, in the same manner you explain. For that, you need not prepare anything. As your own experience, you can retain into your brain. Owning concept. This is called owning concept. What is owning concept? Just I ask you one question. What you did yesterday? If I ask you that question, how fluently you are able to explain? Do you make any notes? Without making any notes and all that, as it is your own experience, you are able to describe every activity what you did yesterday. That is called owning concepts. In the owning experiences. In the same manner, concepts also you can own it if you learn in this manner. That's why I advise you first to study these five concepts, only five concepts, matter of 1 hour, less than 1 hour. Then you own them. Thereafter, training session 2 onwards, you start doing programs. And on the day one itself, you start doing programs. By that, you can enjoy programming. Once you start enjoying programming, sky is your limit.